here at SEMA 2019. I'm here to talk to you about the SecureLatch series of pintle hooks and lunette eyes.
SecureLatch Pintle Hitch products are all about streamlining the trailer hookup process to be as automated as possible and get you on the road faster and safer. Our aim is to make hitching up your trailer completely stress-free. SecureLatch Pintle Hitches and hooks feature a striker plate and auto-locking latch that automatically engages the coupler. They also have a cupped hook design to hold the lunette ring more tightly and greatly reduce chucking noises. Also offered through our SecureLatch series are adjustable lunette rings with an integrated security pin and pintle mounts with a unique slotted adjustment feature.
To learn more about CURT towing products, visit curtmfg.com.